Welcome to our guide on how to grow your network using multi-level referrals. In this video, we'll show you how to use our bots to boost your income effortlessly. Our goal is to teach you how multi-level referrals can help you make more money. With the right strategy, your earnings can grow quickly. Multiple levels in your referral network are important because they let you earn passive income. This means you can make money even when you're not actively working. Your job is to find a few friends and help them do the same. As your friends bring in more people, your network grows automatically. For example, if you find 3 friends who each deposit 50 TRX, you can earn 30 TRX, which is 20% per deposit. Now, if each of your friends finds 3 more people who also deposit 50 TRX, your friends each earn 30 TRX, and you earn 15 TRX from each new person. That's 45 TRX from these new referrals. In total, you've made 75 TRX with little effort. Most of our bots have 3 to 5 referral levels, so your passive income can keep growing. Here's a simple step-by-step plan to grow your network. First, find 3 friends and share your referral link with them. Next, ask your friends to invest 50 TRX each in the bot. This is about $5, which is affordable. Then help your friends find 3 of their own friends to invest. This way, you quickly earn back your investment through referral bonuses. Another example. Let's say you and your friends each find 3 people. If you continue this for just 3 levels, you will have Level 1, 3 people, and you earn 20% from each. Level 2, 9 people, and you earn 10% from each. Level 3, 27 people, and you earn 5% from each. Imagine each person deposits 50 TRX. Your earnings could be Level 1, 3 times 50 TRX times 20%, which equals 30 TRX. Level 2, 9 times 50 TRX times 10%, which equals 45 TRX. Level 3, 27 times 50, TRX times 5%, which equals 67.5 TRX. So you could make 142.5 TRX in total. It's important to choose the right team members. Look for friends who are eager to find more referrals. Avoid friends who only want to invest without finding more people. They won't help your network grow. The key is to earn from referral bonuses, not just investments. Make sure your team understands this too. As your network grows, it will eventually start growing on its own. One day you'll wake up to find you've earned money while you were sleeping. To sum up, this guide shows you how to use our bots for multi-level referrals to grow your network and increase your income. By building a strong, motivated team and guiding them to recruit more members, you can achieve significant passive income. Follow the simple steps, choose your team wisely, and watch your network grow and generate earnings with little effort. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on growing your income.